What's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 ways you can start making money online with $0 to get started. If you're new to the channel, my name is Austin. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and let's dive into my computer. I'm going to show you how. We're going to go from my least favorite being number 5 all the way to my favorite being number 1. Right here on the computer screen, you can see I have a website pulled up called Craigslist. This is where you will go find free items and resell them for a profit. Okay, so this is gonna be number 5. You come over to websites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. We'll use Craigslist for this example. You go to Craigslist, go to your city or town or somewhere nearby. You don't want to drive too far. And then under the for sale section right here in the middle of my screen, there's a section called free. You would just click that section, and here is where anybody is going to list items that they just want to get rid of. Like a lot of items some people will list will be like heavy items like furniture and stuff, and they just don't have a means to get rid of it, and they think it has value, but they don't want to deal with selling it or anything like that. So there's a lot of times you'll find a bunch of junk on here, like a bucket and barrels, which I think barrels actually could be valuable. I don't really know. What I tend to look for whenever I used to do this is furniture, right? So I would just scroll through here. You see there's a free mattress. I don't know if I want to pick up a mattress. I do know mattresses sell though, because I always sell mine. But scroll down, you can see right here on the right, there's a wooden desk. Desks have value. You can bring that home. You can sand it. You can paint it. It does take a little bit of work, and obviously it takes like a truck and a little bit of manpower to go pick this up, right? You can see a free couch. Here's another free dresser right here. Another free couch, right? This looks like a really nice couch. Honestly, a free ping pong table, right? People just want stuff gone and they don't have a means to get rid of it, right? So you could go reach out to them and be like, hey, do you still have that ping pong table? Hey, do you still have that couch? I can come pick it up right now if that's cool. And they're like, yeah, absolutely. Go over there, swing by, pick it up, okay? You're gonna wanna take it home. You're gonna wanna clean it, right? And then you're gonna wanna relist the item for sale. Come back to Craigslist, post it for sale. Go over to Facebook Marketplace, post it for sale on Facebook Marketplace, okay? So you get this for free. You can sell a couch for $100, $200, depending on the condition, depending on what type of couch it is, and really depending on your market, right? So that's an easy $200. That couch looks amazing. I would go pick that up, and I would go list that as $200 if I wanted to make some money, right? This is one way to get started, absolutely free. Moving on to number 4, the 4th way to make money online with absolutely $0 is going to be drop shipping. And I know there's a lot of like bad reputation on the internet about drop shipping. There's different ways of doing it. I'm going to show you 2 different methods. Drop shipping, what drop shipping is when you buy a product for a little bit of money, or what you list the product for sale, somebody buys the product, and then you source that product cheaper, right? So what happens is you create a website or you list a product on this on a platform, whether it be social media or something like that. Somebody buys it for a more expensive cost, for whatever cost you list it for, than what you could source it for. So I'm going to show you an example right here. Prime example would be like eBay and Amazon. This is one way to do it. Most people don't teach it this way. They teach you to go source products from overseas and drop ship them. I like to show different methods in the States of the where you could just use platforms with products that can be shipped to your customers in like 2 to 3 days instead of like 2 to 3 weeks, right? The whole drop ship from AliExpress, which I'm going to show you, that sometimes has a 8-week shipping delay, right? And that upsets customers, right? So if you come over to a place like eBay and Amazon, 2 different marketplaces, same product sometimes, different prices, right? So you can come over to Amazon and you could go to the outlet section on Amazon. If you go to like all, and you don't have to go to the outlet section. You could go to any section you want. And this would just take a little bit of research. But if you scroll down to programs and features, hit see all, and you scroll down to Amazon outlet and you click Amazon outlet, it's going to bring you to the Amazon outlet page. What the Amazon outlet page is, it's usually stuff that's on sale, right? It's got like a discount, 30%, 13% off, 53% off, 66% off, right? So this is usually where you can source products cheaper than what other people are willing to pay for them, right? Because people don't know about this section. So I'm gonna browse through here and see something. I like high ticket items, stuff that's expensive, like a lawnmower, that looks expensive. This grill is selling for $224. It says it's normally $320, right? So what I like to look at is the normal retail value and the discount. It says 30% off. So if I was to click this and grab, let's just grab this number at the top, the actual model number, and we're gonna copy and paste that over here on like eBay. And then we're just gonna hit search, right? And let's just see if it sells for retail. And it looks like it sells for $350, $308, $330. So it looks like it's selling for over 300 bucks on eBay. So what you can do is you can create a listing on eBay. Let's say you create the listing for $299.97. You'll be cheaper than everybody on eBay currently that we see right here. And you can source it for $224. So as soon as somebody buys it from you, you then go to Amazon and you click buy now and you ship it to the person that paid you. So you never touch the product and you don't buy the product before somebody else buys it, right? So they pay you, you then buy the product cheaper for $224 and you sell it to them for $300 on eBay. You did the work. There's nothing wrong with this business model. They shop on eBay. They don't shop on Amazon. They felt like they were getting a good deal because they are. You just happen to get a better deal, right? And then you make the difference, okay? So that's drop shipping. That's one way. The other way you see a lot of influencers teach, or gurus, I would say, not even influencers, they're like the online gurus, right? They're going to teach you to go to AliExpress and find a product on AliExpress. Like you guys all have seen, I'm going to type the massage gun. I'm sure you've seen the massage gun. I spelled that wrong. Massage gun, right? Everybody sells the massage gun for like $100 or whatever. And so what they tell you to do is they tell you to go create a website on Shopify, right? Which you got to pay for, but you get a 14-day free trial. And I love Shopify. I use Shopify myself. But they tell you to go create a website and then come over here and list this item on your website for 2.5 times more than what you source it for, right? Well, those are the numbers that you would list if this is the method you were doing. I used to do this back in 2016. 2.5 times is usually the markup that you will see on a product. And so I would sell this for $110, $100, right? And I'd come over here and I'd source it for $39. And anytime somebody buys it on my website, I would drop ship it from here. The problem with that is AliExpress is, most of the suppliers are located in China and it can take weeks to get the product to your customer, right? So there's that delay, which causes a bunch of customer service issues and refunds and just a lot of gray areas with payment processors and stuff like that, right? But let's move on to method number 3. This is one of my more favorited methods that I actually still do to this day. And it's called print on demand. There's multiple websites that you could use for this. What print on demand is you create like a storefront or something. You sell a product that you print. You create the designs or whatever, whether you use free software tools like Canva, and maybe pay for Photoshop, maybe you pay a freelancer to create a shirt design. We do canvas designs and stuff like that, but you'll see, and I'll show you an example here in a minute. And you go create products on sites like Printful, Printify, Upmerch, and you can see right here products, men's products. I'll just say men's products. We're just gonna say like hoodies, right? They're probably gonna be unisex, but we could create like a slogan and we could come post it on top of the hoodie right here. I could just come in here and I could click this bestseller. I could drop an image on here. This is not an image I would tell you to draw. Don't do this because this will get you in trouble. But I'm gonna hit start designing and I have a little TikTok logo right here. Obviously this has trademark issues. You can't do this, but I'm gonna drop like a TikTok logo, boom. And then I could go create this shirt and I could sell it, right? I could sell this. I wouldn't do it with, obviously, create your own logos, create your own images, and I could go sell this hoodie. And so I know what my cost is. If I was to hit product right here, the cost, product info, pricing, starts from $26, right? Pricing. You could get the whole entire price by just hitting, right here, bottom right, $28 is what it's gonna cost for me to do that. And then you could change different things, you do different products, but you don't actually buy the inventory first. You design the inventory, you create a website or a storefront on like Printful or Upmerch, kind of like this, right? This is how it works. You design it, you select your product, and then when a customer orders online, so you create a little storefront on one of these platforms like Upmerch, you could host your products on an online store on Upmerch, Printify, Printful, they all have it. You place that link in your social media profiles, whether it be YouTube, whether it be TikTok, whether it be Instagram, whether it be Facebook Reels, whether it be Pinterest, it doesn't matter. You have to drive traffic to your offer. And anytime a sale occurs, anytime somebody places an order, the printing company, whatever you choose to use, they'll manufacture the product, they'll do the production, and they ship it. They ship it. You don't have to do it. So you don't hold inventory, you don't have to do any of that. You just have to create the design and drive traffic, right? Prime example right here, Jesse, with creating wonders over on TikTok. You can see he has over 11 million followers. He sells his hoodies and his sweatshirts right here on Upmerch. You can click Upmerch right here. We'll hit open and we'll see if his store is open. He does like launches, and you can see this store will close in 5 days. He uses Upmerch. Great company to use, not sponsored in any way, but they fulfill all of his orders, right? And he just creates the designs and he changes them out like every month. So he's gonna close this store down, then he'll put new designs out, right? Keeping it a limited edition, keeping people coming back buying more stuff, right? So that's print on demand. The next one is going to be YouTube, okay? YouTube or creator monetization, right? So when you post content on social media, you get monetized eventually as like a creator, right? Like YouTube, you can get paid for ad revenue. So here's a look at YouTube just in general. Here I'll flash up a screenshot of earnings that I have. One video over $1,000, right? On average, I make about $300 per video. But then take a look at YouTube right here. YouTube, you can see this is an ad. This is not my channel, this is somebody else's channel, but you see there's an ad. And you've watched YouTube videos, you've watched this YouTube video, and if you made it this far, you've probably encountered an ad by now. Anytime ads run across your YouTube channel, the creator makes money off of those ads being placed there. So you can make money with YouTube AdSense, right? So, or on other social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, they have creator funds where they pay creators, right? Outside of that, you have brand collaborations. Once you become a creator, you can get monetized with brand collaborations if you have sponsored videos and stuff like that. So that's another way to make money. And it doesn't cost any money to create content. It takes no money for you to wake up and create a YouTube video. It takes no money for you to record TikToks or Instagrams, right? It doesn't take you money. It takes time, and it takes a little bit of learning and education, a little bit of it takes a lot of application. You got to take the time to do it, right? And that's number two. That's my second favorite way of making money is through creator monetization, because it snowballs. It brings multiple revenue streams, right? Not only like for the YouTube example, you get YouTube ad revenue, you get influencer deal, you get sponsored paid collaborations, you get affiliate links, which is the next one, which is number one, that's my absolute favorite. You get affiliate links. Those are links that you place on the internet, whether it be in your descriptions, or instead of selling other people's products, you could sell, or instead of selling like print on demand products, you could affiliate a product, right? I'm gonna dive into that right now. Affiliate marketing is when you refer somebody else's product and you receive a commission. So you don't have to create the product or anything. You literally just drive traffic. It's my absolute favorite. I'll show you right here an example. If you were to go to Amazon.com and you scroll all the way to the bottom, because we've all heard of Amazon, I just like to use this as an example, but this could work on multitudes of websites and stuff like that. You can see at the very bottom right here, under Make Money With Us, it says Become an Affiliate. If you click that, you can sign up to become an affiliate, okay? Affiliates receive money, a percentage of the sale. You can see right here where it says sign up, you recommend products to other people, you earn a commission anytime a sale occurs through your respective affiliate link. So you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions with the Amazon program, right? Here's another one I want to jump to real quick, SiteGround. A lot of people probably haven't heard of it, but if I scroll to the bottom of SiteGround and it says About Us, I could click Affiliate Program. If I want to promote their stuff, it shows you right here, 1 to 5 sales per month. Each sale pays me $50 per month. 6 to 10 sales, 75. Let's just say I could refer 11 to 20 people. Well, if a YouTube video gets 1,000 views and like 10% of those people, and say I was talking about this SiteGround website, which I'm not really right now. It's a hosting platform, but if I was teaching somebody how to use it, or as I was doing a product review between SiteGround and Bluehost, and I got 11 people to sign up for this, I can make $100 per sale. $100 per sale, that's $1,100 just for 11 people to come sign up for something that they're going to need. Like if they create an online website, they need SiteGround, or they need a hosting server, right? Or a hosting provider, and SiteGround is one of the ones I recommend. It's one I use, and I am an affiliate for them, but it just shows you that you can make money as an affiliate referring other people's products, right? If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link in the description below. One of our free trainings. It's my free training that I host, and we actually help you get set up with affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner and you've never done it before. There's a free training link down below, and it's a free setup link, right, as well. So we'll come in here, we'll build your funnel and everything for you. But that's not what this video is for. You can check that out down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll respond to them. And if you're still here, go ahead and subscribe, please. I appreciate everybody being here. That's going to wrap up the video of the top 5 ways you can make money online, starting with $0. Number 1, my favorite, being affiliate marketing, going to YouTube, content creation. 3 is print on demand. Then it falls into drop shipping, and then the free over on Craigslist and stuff like that. So again, I appreciate everybody being here, and we will see you in the next video.